Hello, Salina City School District family and friends. The calendar reads the end of February, but we are already thinking about the start of next year for our newest kindergarten class. If you have a child who will be 5 years old on or before August 1st of this year, your child is eligible to attend kindergarten this fall. All incoming kindergarten students must be scheduled for a kindergarten screening appointment. Screening appointments will be held March 25th through March 28th. To schedule an appointment, go to cpsyoucanbook.me or contact Salina Primary School. Our winter sports season has ended and the postseason action is winding down. Congratulations to all of our winter student athletes who are participating in or just finished their postseason. Your hard work and dedication have paid off, and we are proud of each and every one of you. Keep up the great work, both on and off the court, mat, pool, or lane. Our choral department has also been working hard practicing for their spring musical, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Director Joel Trissel and his assistant, Christopher Wood, are preparing a wonderful show for your viewing pleasure. The musical will be performed at the Ed Complex Auditorium on Friday, April 19th, Saturday, April 20th, and a matinee on Sunday, April 21st. The K-6 building project is on target and, according to the construction managers, right where we want it to be. Teachers in grades K-3 have toured their new rooms to get a sneak peek of the floor plan, including the cabinetry that will provide much-needed storage. Teachers in grades 4 to 6 also got to see where their rooms will be in CES next year. 7th to 12th grade teachers have been participating in design meetings where they get to see the footprint of the building and help guide the design of the interior spaces. The design phase will continue through May. We hope to have a schematic design of the building on the Bulldog Building Project website soon. In order to keep the 7 to 12 project moving, the Board of Education has asked Salina City Council to approve vacating a portion of Holly Street. This will allow for the foundation work of the 7 to 12 building to begin this summer. As we prepare to move 3 buildings into one location this fall, we are in the process of purging unneeded items. We are trying to recycle as many things as we can, but we may have a few items for sale. If we have items for sale, they will be found on our school Facebook page or the govdeals.website. As promised, there will be 2 opportunities for you to visit CPS and CES before the doors close for good. Sunday, March 10th from 12 to 2 o'clock, and again Thursday, March 21st from 6 to 8 p.m. Both buildings will be open for you to make one last visit. The building and the classrooms will be open for you to walk through. It's important for us to reflect on the memories created in these buildings. They have been a hub of activity, laughter, and learning for many years, and will forever hold a special place in the hearts of the Salina School community. Let's cherish these memories as we move forward into our new building. One school, one building, one community.